Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to buy games on Steam. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do here is to head on over to our store page in our Steam, and from there, look for the game that you want to buy. However, please make sure that you have enough funds or Steam Wallet funds for you to buy the game. So let's say that we want to buy this one. This is a DLC, however, it is still considered a separate entity. Now, you need to scroll down and click on Add to Cart. And after that, it will be added to your cart. You can either continue shopping or view my cart. Now, what we need to do here for our tutorial is to view my cart for us to see what we're going to buy. And from there, what we can do here is to either put the options for my account private, or this is a gift. For now, or for this instance, click on for my account and now continue to payment. Like I've said before, make sure that you have enough funds for you to buy the game. And secondly, you can choose the way or the mode of payment that we want to do. Let's say we want to use this one, continue, and from there, what we need to do here is to simply agree and then continue to pay the game. And after clicking that, it will, or you have now purchased the game, and now you can now play the game that you just purchased. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.